Good afternoon. I hope you guys are having a good day. I should say good morning. Some of you probably watch these in the morning, maybe. I'm not quite sure, but yeah. So I got up this morning quite early. It's 6:15. So I came up to the school, kind of did some stuff. I have to clean this classroom. If you guys could just see the disasters I have going here. I got to start a couple experiments. I'm just running out of space. That's a problem when you teach 6 classes a day that are very project-based learning. You run out of space to teach or just do things. But yeah, it's getting quite full in here. It would help if I didn't have to have so many tables. I think that's the problem is with 8th grade, with over 20 kids, you gotta have so many tables and yeah. And it'd be nice if I had another wall. Those of you that, if you've ever been, Marty and John who come up here, I don't know if they ever noticed, but I only have 3. I probably said this. I only have 3 walls, and so when I look over this way, I'm seeing the hallway. So, but yeah, it'd be nice to. I mean, I do have a 4th wall that I can shut. I don't think that you guys, there's that curtain. This is hard to do this in a video. That curtain accordion wall right there. I could shut it, but then I have to squeeze 2 more tables in here. And I've been thinking about doing it because construction, 7th hour walks. But when I'm teaching 6th hour, that's my, I think you guys know that 6th hour is my challenging class. And I mean, they're not challenging. It's just there's the lack of trust right now in that class. Just because it's vet science, we use syringes and needles and suture kits, and I don't want that stuff to walk out on me. So, but yeah. So I think I came up here to record these early and then just get ready because horticulture is starting a light experiment. Granted, I have enough grow lights growing up here. People probably think I'm growing something that's illegal because some of them are pinkish, white. But anyways, just gotta make room for more stuff. Plus, we have to get our aquaponics system going. So I'm just running out of space. But anyways, this lesson. So yesterday, you added you should have stuff that looks like this. You should have this is the green one. There should be an orange, purple, and bluish colored one. And so what I'm going to give the kids today are these things right here. So match it up. The other day I might have gotten blue and orange mixed around, but that doesn't matter because you add the same amount. So just remember, orange is potassium, blue is pH. I might have accidentally mixed those up yesterday, but H is green is pH and purple is nitrogen. All right, so you have something that looks like this here. Okay. I gave this a good shake already, but I mean, you don't have to give it a good shake. So here's one that doesn't look like that I didn't shake up. Best if you didn't, here's the green, you shouldn't shake it up because you're looking at this. So then what you're going to go do here is, I always like to do this. You could go like this if you wanted to. Put it in behind that little window and then figure out what it is over here. So, and sometimes I even put it up against something white, the whiteboard here. This way, nothing is in the way. So, for example, this soil sample whoever this one is, as you can tell, it's very alkaline. I mean, there's a high base in it. And if you get down to these colors, I've never really seen on a pH test soil that's way down here. Of course, a lot of times we're just doing field soil anyways, and so farmers aren't gonna necessarily, it's not gonna get way down there anyways, because farmers are, you know, they're worried about soil health. And so, but yeah, so you're gonna have one for each. So this is what I'd like you to do. Now this is probably gonna take teamwork. So what I want you to do here is take this, and if you wanted to, you could probably just do this also. If you have a whiteboard, can you see it? Oh, you can't see it very well. So I'm gonna lower you down. Can you see? I might have to go some more here. Hang on, you're going for a ride. There you go. So what I would like you to do here is do something along this lines. And if you have to have someone hold these, line them up. Line them up and then take a photo of them. If you can get all four in one video, I mean not video, excuse me. If you can get all four in one shot, and then send it to me in the text message group or whoever sends it. See what your, I just want to see what's your, especially those, I mean, granted you all are doing it, but I mean, if, for example, when you're doing pH or nitrogen, you all took different kind of parts of the field. So, if your field looks different, if they all look the same, then don't worry so much about it. Send me one. But if two of you are like, holy cow, the nitrogen in this part of the field was high and the nitrogen in this part of the field was low, well, send me that. I want to see what it looks like. So, yeah, so that's all you have to do today. I'll send these over with the welding kits. And, no, there's one other thing you have to do today. I'm going to have this, each of you have one of these. It's how it's applying fertilizer. We're gonna do a lab with this. So, just read, this is just reading material, and then keep this so that you don't lose it. So, other than that, we'll see you in a video tomorrow.